finally they say Burnaboy don't go carry Akpi o. No be small thing as im mama don come outside for this video come talk say make Burnaboy release im only son wey be Speed Darlington o. Say make him forgive am for anything wey him do and release am. Now come dey ask wetin dey happen. I ask that question or they come show me say come see video where Akpi come talk say be like say Burnaboy use oil, you know. I come say oil wetin they use oil do. Abeg e go better make they use their mouth talk how this thing take they go. But the question that I want to ask here is that Burnaboy, I hope you know that your picture is trending all over internet and a lot of people are also bringing the real picture saying that this is the picture not the other one. The picture wey be like say one man dey your back or one popo you now say hey this one e no good at all o. I hope say those people wey dey share those pictures e go follow arrest those people, because for Nigeria that's one thing everybody wey talk anything na defamation of character. They forget say freedom of speech is part of the Nigeria constitution. Okay, if you want to follow somebody up that he says something against you, the best way is to go to court. But as it be like this now, Simon Ekpa don't come give 24 hours. He say 48 hours. Say that if Burnaboy no release Speed Darlington will be happy with mama, he say he go humble Burnaboy. I want you to watch the videos as it they go before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Everybody just they rush, they go America to snap with Didi that year. But you know, after Burna post his picture with Didi, the next year I've been at the same particular year, Burna won Grammy. You understand me? All I they do since in Aichiche. So I just they wonder, Burnaboy, this video, I they ask you question. Don't get offended. Now question I they ask. How many oil did you drop for your nyash before them give you that trophy? Burna, how many oil them rob for your nyash before? Burna, I'm asking you serious question. Them say them see 1,000 bottles of baby oil for Didi house. And I know say after you snap with Didi, you won Grammy. How many? I see magazine. You know they put oil for my body before they go give me kiniko. I just collect them off of merit. You blow after you snap with P. Diddy. You was under his arms, sucking up to Black America. Burna, come to this comment section and clear something. We want to know.
Sucking up to Burnaboy don't mean shit. I am Odogu. That's my language. Odogu is masquerade name. It's not a nickname. If anybody is gonna claim Odogu as a nickname, me is qualified. You dumb fucked in the ass, motherfucker. You out here shouting Odogu, Odogu, Odogu. I'm like, look at this punk. You trying to be like us. You trying to be like us. You trying to be one of us. You now one of us. Because if you are one of us, you would have known that Odogu is not a nickname. Go fuck your mother. You now one of us. Everybody's tough in Lagos. Everybody is a G in Lagos. Come my side. I'm G'd up, motherfucker. Everybody's tough in Lagos. Everybody is a G in Lagos. Come my side. I'm G'd up, motherfucker. Fucked in the ass, motherfucker. I hear sucking Burnaboy's dick in my comment section. Come my side, come on the road, Imo State. You know if you pass road, where me at the pass. Yes. At the pass where I know the pass. Everybody is tough in Lagos. Come my side, you fucked in the ass, motherfucker. You run naga, I'm yanaga gaya. You fucking bastard. You come on the internet, you they shout to Dagu. I'm like, is he a god? Everybody is a G in Lagos. Everybody is a G in Lagos. Come my side if you a G. You fucked in the ass, motherfucker. I'll make another oil video. Nothing mega. Nothing mega. If you a G, come my side. I mean, know the price where me pass. You fucking bastard. Odogu ane kwoko odogu. Odogu ane kwoko odogu. I'm like, odogu my ass. I am.
Good day, everyone. Good day, Nigerians. My name is Miss Queen. I am Darlington's mother. I just get information that my son is missing. Speed Darlington is missing. His gate man called my family and notified my family that there's a video Darlington made and put on internet about Burnaboy. So he notified my family that Burnaboy came with his team and they picked Darlington up from his house. Please, please. Darlington is my only son. Darlington is one and only son I have. I am begging my fellow Nigerians, please, everyone should help me to beg Burnaboy. Burnaboy, please. My name is Miss Queen. Burnaboy, I'm begging you. My knees on the ground. Please, I am begging you, Burnaboy. Tamper justice with mercy, please. Tamper justice with mercy. Have mercy on my son. Forgive him, please. Burnaboy, I'm on my knees. I'm begging. Tamper justice with mercy. Forgive Darlington. Forgive Darlington. Forgive Darlington. I am begging. Nigerians, please come to Darlington's aid. Please. You people, all Nigerians, all Darlington's fans should join me to beg Burnaboy. Please. Burnaboy, please. Tamper justice with mercy. Forgive Darlington. This is me, Darlington's biological mother. I am begging. I don't know what to say other than I am begging. I'm a mother. I'm a grandmother. I'm a mother. Please. He's my only son. Forgive him. Forgive him. I'm just asking for forgiveness. Please, Burnaboy, please. Please. Please, I'm begging. Forgive my son. Release him. Forgive my son, Burnaboy, please. All Darlington's fans out there, please join me to beg Burnaboy for the release of Darlington. Nigerians, come to my son's aid, please. Please. I am begging. I'm on my knees begging. I'm begging. I'm just begging. I have no words. I have nothing to say than to beg Burnaboy. Burnaboy, please, I'm on my knees. May it touch your heart to release him. Forgive him, please. Forgive him. Forgive him. Forgive him, please. I have nothing more to say than to forgive my son. Have mercy on him. Oh. Have mercy on my son, please. 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 I'm begging. Have mercy on my son. Have mercy on my son, please. Burnaboy, please. I am begging you, okay? Have mercy on him, please, okay? Have mercy on him. I'm not in Nigeria right now, please. Have mercy on my son. Tamper justice with mercy, please. Please, thank you so much. I know you will listen to me. Please.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I don't hear them all. Now so everything take start and now so it take end. So now you don't see waiting mama Speed Daniel don't talk. Tell Speed Daniel I be happy one mama na happy I tell the I they call him. So I don't know the one we prefer to call him. So if mother don't come outside, come to say me Burnaboy leave and say na be the only song we get with the give and joy. So Burnaboy, I hope say you go play senior man where you be and leave this guy making go. Remember say your pictures, the social media, there's thousands of and millions of Nigerians are sharing it. So you cannot afford to arrest everybody. You understand? So even there's other people they are joining inside this cruise. But whatever it is, I tell you to release Speed Daniel immediately. Just free that guy and let us practice freedom of speech in this country, Kwan, for once. Let us practice and Kwan. Okay, now this is the response of Mazi Simon Ekpa regarding this issue. Listen, I'm going to read it out for you. Anybody we know Burnaboy. So may they go tell Amo say make him release Akpi or mama. If not, he say they go humble Amo. This now waiting Simon Ekpa talk. I beg, make una share this message or go give Burnaboy you. Tell her say that the Biafra army so are coming for him or make him quickly go release Akpi as they talk right now. My people, make you share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section and let me know what you think for this matter.